Hello everyone. Let's read and match pictures to 3-letter words. Words like cat, sit, bat. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we have 3-letter words and we're going to read each word and match it to the picture. Okay, let's start. K, a, t, k, at, cat, cat, k, a, n, k, a, n, can, can, a, t, at, mat, mat, b, a, t, b, at, bat, bat, t, a, p, t, a, p, tap, tap, s, a, t, s, at, sat, sat. Well done everyone, fantastic job, great work, well done. Hello parents, if you like this video and would like to use these resources, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many early years teaching resources created by an early years experienced teacher, that is me. These resources can be used in classroom or at home to support children's early reading. The sheet can be printed, cut and pasted instantly or laminate for daily uses. I use this in my classroom. The children absolutely loves it and I get great results in their reading. I hope it works for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.